Your Honeywell water heater's igniter is the heart of the heating system. When it fails, your hot water disappears. Understanding the common failure reasons helps you diagnose and fix the problem quickly. Before diving into complex diagnostics, always check the basics first. Ensure your gas supply valve is fully open and that electrical power is connected without any tripped circuit breakers. If the pilot light won't ignite, air trapped in the gas line is often the culprit. This commonly happens after new installation or gas service interruption. You may need to wait up to 90 seconds for the air to clear from the system. A dirty pilot light orifice blocked by carbon deposits is one of the most frequent causes of igniter failure. These deposits build up over time and restrict gas flow, preventing proper ignition. For electronic igniters, voltage problems are common. If the igniter receives voltage but doesn't glow, it needs replacement. Always inspect the pilot tube and wiring for damage or carbon deposits. Sometimes you'll see a spark but no ignition occurs. This typically indicates either trapped air in the gas line or a weak pilot light that can't sustain combustion. Modern Honeywell water heaters include advanced safety features like flammable vapor sensors. These sensors can trip and prevent ignition if they detect potentially dangerous vapors near the unit. Always consult your water heater's manual for specific LED error codes. These codes provide valuable diagnostic information that can pinpoint exactly what's wrong with your igniter system. Understanding these common igniter failure points helps you systematically diagnose problems. Start with basic checks, then move through each potential cause methodically for the best results. Start troubleshooting your Honeywell water heater igniter with these essential basic checks. First, verify your gas supply is turned on. Check that power is connected and ensure the gas control valve is set correctly. If the pilot light won't stay lit, inspect the thermocouple for damage or misalignment. The thermocouple is the safety device with metal prongs that senses the pilot flame and keeps the gas valve open. For weak pilot signals, check for blocked pilot tubes and ensure the thermopile is correctly positioned and clean. Also, reset any tripped thermal switches and make sure no flammable vapors are present near the unit. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing igniter problems. Flush the tank to remove sediment buildup that affects heating efficiency. This sandy mineral buildup can interfere with proper water heater operation. Check and replace the anode rod as part of regular maintenance. A corroded anode rod, like the ones shown here, should be replaced with a new one to protect your water heater tank from corrosion. Know when to call a professional. If you smell gas, leave the area immediately and contact a qualified technician. For complex repairs involving gas valves, electrical components, or if you're uncomfortable with any procedure, always seek professional help. Remember, systematic troubleshooting starts with basic checks and progresses to more complex diagnostics. Regular maintenance like tank flushing and anode rod inspection can prevent many igniter problems before they occur.